Dear viewers, the engineers, the architects, the project management companies, and all those who are affiliated with the engineering trade, I am uploading my lectures on my YouTube channel and on my slides on TikTok channel. So I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my channel, and share my YouTube channel to as many as engineers in your contact. Furthermore, I request you to please follow my TikTok channel and share my slides to the engineers so that they can also get some technical and practical knowledge. I have uploaded my 3 slides earlier, slide number 1, 2, and 3 on topic of the painting system and its contents. Today we are going to discuss about the way of procurement of the correct and suitable paints for the different structures. In that way, we are going to discuss while paint selection issue is there. It is to be considered that amount spent on the paint system is to be under the budget as per the contract and as per the budget of the client. Number 2, to do the selection of the paint, it's mandatory to see that the wear and tear, the paint due to climatic condition, not to be affected the color and smoothness of the paint. Number 3, the paint must be selected in such a way that it covers uniformly and consistently to be while applying on any surface. Number 4 is that paint must be cleaned easily and when required as and when should be cleaned easily, and it should not leave any chemical reaction on the surface so that the paint should not be cleaned. Number 5 is the paint must be non-effective on environmental conditions and should stand same as paint minimum and maximum climatic conditions. Most environmental friendly paints are available in the market, so you have to select the paints like that. I request you to please go through my slide and share my slide to as many as engineers in your contact, for which I will be thankful to you for this support. Thank you very much.